few deep breaths to begin with. Become aware of any sounds around you and let them in. Now silently count backwards from 10 to 0, feeling yourself becoming more relaxed as you count. Now take a moment to invite in your guides, but be sincere. You would like help. You can imagine it, if you wish, as the light shining down upon you. It's their joy to help you, to bring you to peace, to forgive. And they know everything about you, much more than you know yourself. And they have absolutely no judgment of you. And all the rest is a dream, a nightmare. And they want to wake you from the nightmare. You could ask them, or you could think of someone where currently you project onto, you get upset with. They're the cause of you losing peace. You could ask them to show you someone, or you already may know someone. Alive or dead, on the TV, someone close. See who comes. No one comes, just choose someone you don't like. And see them standing before you. And allow whatever feelings come. It's all right to be angry, hateful, sad, vicious. It cannot harm the Christ in you. You may even feel yourself pointing the finger. You upset me. If only you were different. Or stronger feelings. I wish you dead. I wish you gone. I wish you out of my life. And then you see them change into a full-length mirror. And you see yourself in the mirror. A part of you might say, no, I don't have this in me. It's in them. It might be quite a different form. They're always angry, you're never angry, but you have a silent anger. Turn to your guides and say, what way am I similar to that person? What are they showing me? Maybe their loudness is showing that I'm rather mild and meek and can't speak up, and I hate that in me. And so I hate the reflection of it. And then the mirror goes away and you see them again. Do you have any sense of where you may be similar to them? Or what they're showing you, some weakness in you. A weakness you hate in yourself. You don't want to see it, so you throw it at them. That person is so valuable to you. It's such a reflection. They show you something you hate to see yourself. You could say to them, you do not have the power to take my peace away. I do that. I sense you are very valuable to me. You're showing me something I hate to look at. Perhaps a weakness. Perhaps a similar anger in me. And you thank them for being such a mirror, such a difficult mirror. Otherwise, you'd have compassion for them. They could not trigger you. Their behavior makes them suffer too. Let's see if we can open our heart to this teacher that stands in front of us, this valuable person in our life. Imagine a beautiful light coming down and shining upon them. It's a healing light. And they start to feel it. And you see them relax. Their face softens. And they're being blessed with some peace, some healing. Something perhaps they hardly ever feel. And the light grows stronger. They relax more and they start to smile. Just like you, they're looking for happiness, often in the wrong directions, striking out. And even if you don't strike out, you strike out in your mind. And you feel compassion for them, their struggle, like your struggle. And now say to them, I have no right to ask you to be different than you are. I have no right to ask you to be different than you are. It's for me to change. Now send out a prayer of healing for them, which will also be a healing prayer for yourself. Ask that they may find peace, they might find healing. And what you give will return to you. And finally, if you can, go over to them, perhaps take a hand, look into their eyes, perhaps a hug. It's your valuable teacher there. But only do it if it feels right. And know you're both being blessed in this exercise. Take what time you need to feel complete as far as you've gone, and accept as far as you've gone. And then just return your awareness to the room and open your eyes.